Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning about how to enter a password protected Wi-Fi from your iPad. Open your settings, then go to the Wi-Fi settings. Select Wi-Fi, and if you turned off the Wi-Fi, please turn on. You can see there is a list of available Wi-Fi. Then select it and enter the password. After entering your password, click on the join button. Wait a few seconds. Okay, now you are successfully entered that Wi-Fi connection. You can also see a Wi-Fi symbol on status bar. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please comment below. I will answer your question as soon as possible. If you need any kind of tutorial about iPhone, iPad, Android or computer, please mention in comment box. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video to your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting more videos.